guys, so I am back with a really exciting video. So I'm finally filming the nursery tour. So you've seen little snippets of it, but not the whole thing because we were still getting things ready. So hubby is filming, so he's gonna be able to get better angles than me trying to film it on my own. So I want to show you this beautiful nursery that my family put together for us. Aunt Janice and my sis-in-law Andrika and her family, gifts from all family and friends. So I honestly didn't do that much, but it's beautiful and maybe you'll get some tips and tricks for your nursery. So let's start with this. This couch has been here already. It was in my, this used to be the makeup room, it's obviously the nursery now. So this is actually a regular couch that the back folds down and you can sleep on it, and it has storage under here. So this will lift up and it has blankets and pillows. We kept it in here because we figured it fit. You know, if we wanted to sleep in the nursery, some nights we could. It could still be a guest bed because the baby won't be in the nursery for the first couple of months anyways. We just added these pillows. So these pillows are from Home Goods, I believe. My sister-in-law gave them to me. And then I don't know where this blanket is from, but I really like this color and the gold because the room is pretty much cream, gold, and a blush pink. So it's got little gold feathers, and I just realized that matches the changing pad. That worked out really well. So this pillow is not a baby pillow. This is my Urban Decay feminist pillow, which I'm keeping here. You know, just gotta represent a little bit. And then the curtains, we have white and gold again, kind of go with the theme, and a really pretty blush. These are, I think, from Home Goods too, I'm not sure. But Home Goods is a good place to find them. So then we have this ottoman, which is like amazing. I believe my aunt got this and the rug from Ross. So the ottoman is really nice for putting your feet up. So if I wanted to breastfeed and put my feet up, I could. It's also good storage. So really I just have breastfeeding pillow in there, but this will be good for toys, whatever. And then the rug is amazing, like a blush pink furry rug. Everybody needs a furry rug in their nursery. So love that. And then the wood floors. So let's go over to this corner. So I started a collage wall. It's not finished, but it's got some, you know, memories of the baby's journey. So we have maternity picture blown up from when we were in Nice, France. This tea was actually a Christmas present from like when I first got married from my sister-in-law. And I recovered it with an old bridesmaid sash that would match the colors. This is from our gender reveal. And then the gold again. This little frame is from Home Goods, which I love because it has the different classic books as well as like Vogue and Harper's Bazaar. So I thought that was a really good idea. And then this is an old painting that I've had because Paris is like my very favorite place to visit. So it's kind of got a little travel theme, and you'll see it more over here. So I told my aunt, I was like, I really want kind of like a travel theme because me and my husband love to travel. So we love this little map. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's like a canvas. But the cool thing that we did to customize it is we bought these little pins. They're like little rose gold map pins. So those are the places I've actually been while I was pregnant with baby girl. So she was conceived in Egypt, babymoon in Europe, and a couple of places in the US. So we'll continue to add to that, and that's pretty cool. So then we have the dresser and like the changing table area. I didn't want to buy a changing table because I wanted a dresser that would last longer. So we just have this dresser, and crazily enough, my aunt found it for just $30 at Atlanta at Habitat for Humanity Restore, which they have all over the country, and you can get really good donated secondhand furniture, and it's so nice, it looks brand new. So we put the changing pad on top, and this feather changing pad, I wanted to stop using pink because it was getting really pink in here, but I love actually it matches that blanket perfectly with the gold feathers. And this is just a changing pad protector that you can buy multi-pack from Target. This is a really cute moon nightlight from my registry. I thought this was so cute, and it glows kind of like blue or like this yellow. And then my aunt got us this little frame right here, and when the baby does come, she'll finally get her own picture because there are no pictures of her yet. We'll put her hospital thing here, and then the picture, and this is a Wonder Woman crown that I had from an old Halloween costume that I thought was cute. So let's look inside the drawers really fast. This is where I'm keeping diaper stuff. Okay, so changing pad, diapers right by next to it. And then we have here accessories like mittens, socks, hats, bows, shoes, and a couple extra toiletries. And then down here I kind of kept extra stuff that she doesn't need right now. Toys, teethers, books, sound machine. I forgot we had that sound machine actually. Gotta look that up. So different things that I will pull out. And then on the other side is where we'll keep clothes. So just a couple of like small clothes up front, newborn stuff. A couple of burp cloths and blankets. So these are like what she'll wear now. Little swaddles. I only put what she can kind of fit in for now. So more really small stuff. Obviously, I have a lot of room. These little bins, by the way, these cloth storage bins really help keep you organized. And then down here, these are small clothes as well, but they just need to be washed. So I didn't want to have her wear, I didn't want to wash everything now because she might not fit it or wear it. So that's why I was kind of being conservative with that. Alright, then in the corner, I have a little cream colored trash can from Home Goods. I wanted something that was cream because it would match the room and it would also be gender neutral. And then this is a little hamper for baby girls' clothes, and I kept a little delicates bag in here because apparently you lose those little socks and mittens like all the time. So it's good to keep that. So this is her hamper. And then we have a window with my old makeup light still here. I feel like if I want a rocking chair, this is where I would go. We didn't get one because we have the couch, but you know, the gliders, the rocking chairs, maybe if we do need one, it would go here. And then this swing and the rocker, these will probably go in the living room or in our bedroom, but they're just here for now. So let's go over to this little corner. So this little corner shelf is really handy, and my aunt painted it to match the dresser. This was really cheap too. I think it was only $20 at Habitat Restore. So the first thing at the top, we have all of the family's Converse, and it says Mrs. Thomas, Mr. Thomas, and the baby's pink Converse from our gender reveal. Second shelf, these are gifts from family, a little travel theme notebook, and a cute little elephant that plays music. I'm not going to play that. This is more travel theme stuff. So we have this globe, which I love, and then a little Filipino chain. More maternity pictures. Little cute shoes that we got as a gift. Shoes always make good decoration, and they kind of match our colors. More books in here. This is the baby's first Bible, which we have had our family sign it. Books, more books, and the bottom is more books, including like mommy books. Okay, so this little storage bin right here is full of like sheets for the crib. Here's her monitor we haven't put up yet. And then lastly, let's show you the crib area. So the crib area is like a kind of a central focus wall. All the walls in the rest of the nursery are like cream, but this is the one pink kind of like pop of color wall. So we have a crown at the top to go with the gold theme. My aunt put this really pretty, what is that called? Like a veil material. I don't know. A netting with rhinestones. And then those are her initials, A-R-T, which hopefully we will have soon. And this is her crib. So her crib is actually from Wayfair. It was a really good deal. It was only like 100 something bucks. Maybe like 149, 189. And I love it because it's a little bit different. It's got the gold and the upholstered sides as opposed to being wood. And it turns into a toddler bed too. There's like a toddler rail. So I love the white and the gold again to kind of go with the different colors, because too much pink can get overwhelming. These pillows are decoration for now, but they will not stay in the crib. Obviously you're not supposed to put anything in the crib. And I just have mementos from the baby shower, the tropical baby shower. And my mother-in-law gave me this little sash that matches, so I put that there. Mommy to be. And then I got a really cheap crib skirt from Amazon, so that way you can hide stuff under here for storage. And yeah, yeah, I think that's it. So this is the baby girl's nursery. I love how it came out. We'll probably still add things along the way. I didn't buy a glider, a rocker glider, or a diaper pail because I wasn't sure if I wanted them quite yet. So those are missing, and then that's pretty much it. So this room is done. Oh, I forgot to show you some of these paintings. Paintings over here. Again, a map kind of theme, which the travel, which we love for the baby. And then this is so great because my aunt got this from Hobby Lobby, and she didn't even realize that this Bible quote scripture, 1 Corinthians 13:4, is the same one that my mom read at our wedding. And she didn't even realize that, and I thought that was like so special and sentimental. So again, we got a mix of travel, pink, gold, cream. We got some Bible stuff in here. Oh, and then down here, these are 2 bears that my hubby gave to me while I was dating. I don't even know if you realize that I put those there. Did you notice that? Yeah, you gave these to me. So I have them still. Now they can actually get some use. And this little storage box is from Adrian's grandma. Isn't it cute? It's like makeup, like the lips. And then full of diapers. Full of diapers. And then really quick, the closet. I'm like thinking I was done. So the closet's very small, but it's still, we have a lot of room. We got the carrier, clothes, storage, lots of storage. Once she has more stuff, I'll probably buy some kind of cube shelf system. And that's it. So check out my blog, makeupbyrenren.com, where I'll recap all these good items. I hope you guys enjoyed this nursery tour. Today, me and hubby are headed to the hospital to have this baby. So this is the last, this will be without a baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this journey with us. And thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great night. Ciao, Bellas.